How to use the schedule poll in Outlook for meetings. So here I am in the new version or the web version of Outlook. So for example, you need to create a meeting with your participants, and then you want to decide, or you want to have a vote of when the time of your meeting will be. So what you can do is that you can use schedule poll for that. So for example, I'll create an email right here. I'll send this to my recipients for the meeting, or the participants. For example, I just entered my other Outlook emails. Then we can add a subject. So for example, I'll say important meeting, and then vote for your preferred time. And then I'll just put like the message right here. Hey everyone, you need to have a meeting tomorrow discussing the client's proposal. And then please vote for your preferred time right here in the scheduling poll. Thanks. And then now we have the email. We can just simply go to the insert tab, then we can see the scheduling poll right here. So we can click on that. Then from here we can see the other settings, like we can change the time zone, we can change the duration of the meeting. So let's say the meeting will be for 1 hour. Then you can see other duration settings right here if you want. And then for the date, so let's say the date will be tomorrow, which is May 15th. And then from here, you can see all of the time that you can use. So you can either sort by availability or sort by time. So it's up to your preference. The only difference is that when you choose sort by availability, it will just show times right here that is available for all of the people involved. And then if you sort by time, so it will show all of the time right here that is available, even though some people might not be available. It will still be shown right here. And then from here, you can just simply choose the options that you prefer for the meeting. So for example, I can add different options like right here, like I can add 8 a.m., 9 a.m., and then let's add 11 a.m., and then 1 p.m., then 2 p.m., for example, like that. Then we can click next. From here, here are the 5 options that the people can vote of when they want to do the meeting. So you can enter a physical location right here if you have a physical location, or you can just turn on Teams meeting if it is an online meeting. And then for the manage poll settings, you can see some other settings like right here, like schedule when attendees reach consensus. So if you have a majority vote, it will immediately schedule that meeting according to the majority. And then you can also hold selected times on the calendar. So maybe when you receive a calendar invite, so it will automatically hold the selected times so that it cannot be scheduled for the time that you have entered right here in the scheduling poll. You can also notify about poll updates. You can require identities to verify their identity, and then you can also lock polls for attendees. So that means that when you lock the poll, they will not be able to suggest new times for the scheduling poll. And then once you're done, you can just click create poll, and then it should now be added to your email right here. So you can click view poll details so that it will open in another tab, and then you will see the scheduling poll right here. But you can also do that when you send the email. We can now see it in the sent items, and then we can click vote right here. And then it will also open the scheduling poll in another page. So this is the page that will be received by all people from your recipients. So you can also vote for the time that you prefer right here. You have the time zone. You can send a reminder for all the people that hasn't voted in the scheduling poll yet. You can cancel the poll if you don't need to schedule the meeting anymore. You can add more required attendees, or you can add also optional attendees. From here, you can change your vote. So let's say I prefer having the meeting for 8 a.m. and then for 9 a.m. It's okay, but I don't prefer it, but I will still choose yes right here. And then for example, if I'm not available for 11 a.m., I'll choose no. And then for 1 p.m., I'll just put yes right here since I'm available. And then, but I prefer either 8 a.m. or 2 p.m. You can also click propose another time right here so that it will be added to the scheduling poll. So let's say I want to add 3 p.m. Click done. And then it says right here, failed to add choice. Please verify that the time choice is not already one of the options and it doesn't occur in the past. So I think this is because the date right here says May 14. So we need to choose May 15, click done, and then now it's added right here. And then I also prefer that. And then let's click vote. Then now the vote is submitted for my account. And then you just need to wait until all of the people have voted about the time that they prefer for the meeting. And then you can manually schedule the meeting right here by just clicking the schedule meeting button. But since I already enabled the automatically schedule the meeting according to the majority, so it will just schedule the meeting when all of the votes has been added. But that is basically it. So that is how we can use the scheduling poll right here in Outlook for meetings. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.